Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can add music bot to your Discord server. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy and simple. You need to open up Discord and you need to go to your server. Once you're inside the server, you need to press on your server's name and then the arrow. Right over here, you'll see the option of server settings. Go ahead and press on that. And right over here, you'll see the option of app directory. Just go ahead and press on that, and right over here you need to type in greenbot, and once you type it in you need to search it up and you will see it. So just go ahead and press on add app, and then it'll take a while to load up, but you'll see the option of authorization. Now you gotta select your server, and here we go. Now you just gotta press continue and then authorize. Once you do that, here you go. Now you have successfully added your music. Now if you want to play a song, it has this command. Now you gotta press slash and then play, and then you gotta put in the song and name, and then you gotta press enter. Once you do that, your song will start playing. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.